Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers and thank you for joining. Please hit that like button as soon as you come on the video. And today I am making curry turkey neck for you guys. It's been a pleasure making videos for you, so stay tuned. So as you can see, the first thing I'm doing is I'm carefully rinsing my turkey neck with some vinegar and water, and I'm gonna do that 2 to 3 times, and then I'm gonna proceed to seasoning. So right here I am just chopping my onion, my scallion, garlic, ginger, and my Scotch bonnet pepper. So I missed the clip with some of the seasoning that I've added, some of the powdered seasoning. So what you can do is just go ahead and add a teaspoon of each of the seasoning. I will put them in the comment section or in the description box. And it may seem like a lot of seasoning, but I'm using them in moderation. So I just like to have a variety of flavors. And for my curry, I did use 2 different types of curry, and I add just a 1/4 teaspoon of masala, because with the masala you have to be very careful or it will make your food, if you use too much, it can make your meat very bitter. So after adding all my powdered seasoning, I proceed to add in a tablespoon of vegetable oil. That will help the meat to hold the seasoning much better, and I'm just going to leave this to marinate overnight. So now that I'm ready to cook, I just add a small amount of oil to my pot, and then I'm gonna allow this to braise on medium to high heat. So it has been braising for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, it has produced its own water. So I'm just going to allow it to cook in that water that it has produced for a few minutes, and then I'll add some extra water. So as you can see, I'm just adding about 2 cups of water, and then I'm going to add some more scallion and more pepper, and time, because you know this is going to be cooking for a long while and you can't allow it to lose its flavor, so you have to continue to add more flavor to the pot. So that's my husband messing around with me. The turkey neck is almost cooked, so now I'm gonna add my vegetables, which will be carrot and potato. And as you can see, I did cut some of the potatoes smaller than some because I want the smaller pieces to cook out so that my gravy can have a thick consistency. So, and then I did add some more scallion and thyme as well for the finishing touch. So guys, this is the finishing touch, and I'm going to put some in a bowl and show you guys how the meat is coming off the bone. That is how I like it. I don't like to be forcing to eat my food. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel when you do that, guys. Just don't watch and click off. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, okay? And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, and share this video with someone that you know would benefit from watching this. I really do appreciate you guys so much for continuing to support me, and let me know in the comment section how you cook your turkey neck, if you have ever tried curry turkey neck, or just share your opinion, your honest opinion in the comment section. I just want to say a big shout out to my first set of subscribers. You guys subscribe to me when I have 0 subscribers, so thank you all so much. Now I am at 560. Thank you for contributing to that. I love you all, and see you in my next one.